Are you looking for an outdoor storage solution to house your cushions or some of your patio furniture essentials? Yeah, me too. And after a little research, I found this deck box from a company called Mirador. It's constructed of rust-proof aluminum and galvanized steel. It's even made to be mobile on wheels and has a soft close lid. And did I mention it's weatherproof? I mean, I'm really impressed. And as I take you through this unboxing and the assembly process of this deck box, you'll see why. Let's get to it. You see, in today's fast-paced world, having enough storage at home is essential for maintaining a clean and organized space. And I'm always on a hunt for new ideas and new products that help me organize my clutter. After all, I can't stand coming outside and looking at my pool cushions all over the deck. We all accumulate items over time, be it seasonal decorations, outdoor gear, or everyday essentials, and finding a place for everything can be a challenge. That's why effective storage solutions are crucial for every household. Or at least that's what I think. Oh, and you see what I'm doing here? I'm installing this L bracket all along the perimeter of the base. This is what holds all the sides in place. Then taking a rubber mallet, I carefully placed the top. Continued with the bracing, making sure I got all the screws in and making sure I didn't make any dents or punctures. I want to keep this box watertight. Then I moved on to the lid and installed the hinges. And just like that, I was ready to move on to the soft close arms. This is what's going to make the top have that nice close. You know, that effect where it just comes down like this. Let's do that again. Yeah, I love it. And the wheels keep it mobile, which is awesome for me, because I don't know if this is going to be the location for it, but for now, let's place it up here on my deck and get it out of the way. This company Mirador has been my go-to for outdoor solutions. That pergola that's right next to this box is also from them. They also have lounge chairs and dining tables, a bunch of outdoor stuff. And they've really become my go-to source for outdoor furniture because they're such quality-made products. And in this fast-paced world, it's hard to find. I mean, look at this deck box. It's pretty sweet. Mine is made to hold 134 US gallons, so it can hold a pretty good bit. But they have several different sizes ranging all the way up to 281 US gallons. That's a lot. Talk about storage. And the best part, the company gave me a discount code to offer you. It'll be in my description box.